Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. Y'all are getting a little live trading session. Man, it's good to be back, bro. It's good to be back. It's pretty late right now. We are trading Asia. I thought this trade would have hit by now, so I guess I'll do a live reaction and I'll keep this recap short. But I don't know what compelled me. Oh, there it is. There it is. There goes that man. That is a full delivery. Wow. Okay. That's one of my bigger trades. So that's pretty neat. I'm just gonna go through this with y'all, honestly. You know, this was a long one too. It was pretty brutal. But let's get organized real quick. We're doing a lot of yip yapping. Copy image. I'll even do this on stage with y'all. Let me just close all these out. On that. Copy pasta. What's today? July 30th. Because it counts for the next trading day. Trade one. One is shorts. What happened? After tagging 15-minute gap, delivering 2 hourly bull gap as DOL. Let me show y'all boys P&L real quick. I need to log in, but this was a very big day. I think it was like an 8K day. We are still on eval, so it's not, it's not the craziest thing in the world. I wish we were doing no consistency, or I wish we were unfunded, because then, today would have actually been like overly stupid. But let me share. Okay. So 6K day, 6.1K day. Can I edit this and throw it in there? I don't think I can. I can't. Okay. So let me just break down what this trade is right here. So coming into, okay, that's what I was looking for, my executions. Okay, so coming into Asia session, right? I think we had, I'm gonna do something real quick. This was the first play I had taken. Now when I trade Asia session, I don't really go off the open, because I'm not trading all of Asia, so it's like I don't care to look at the open or get on at the open. But when I'm usually trading Asia session, I'm just looking to catch the trend of the session, right? And so we see that I think we tagged into a weekly gap or a daily gap or something down here. I can't remember. Holy, I can't remember. But I saw that we were delivering higher, and so I was just looking for some type of continuation longs, right? And we see that we have this 5-minute bullish gap right here. And I took a 30-second, I believe. Where is it at? I took a 30-second, yeah. Yeah, so right here we have our 30-second gap. It's pretty tiny, but it really did work. I ended up closing it out just due to the fact that why did I close it out? I don't know, but it ran and it hit, and so I'm kind of pissed that I closed it out. Closed it out pretty early, so that was a break even. And then later on, I see that because obviously I was taking longs, or I did want to take a long. That's why I closed it out, because we were in a 30-minute bearish gap, and I was kind of scared that I'm trading into high resistance liquidity. But I kind of also had that feeling that we would hit that swing high. So it's like I was right and wrong at the same. It was a lose-lose situation essentially. But as you can see, we are in a 30-minute gap right here that we were trading within. So once I saw that, I don't know why I opened the charts again, but I did, and I saw that we were within the 30, that 1 hour, 30, 15, all of that, right? And so from there, it's like, let me just look for a way to get in on this play to the downside to what I think is a draw, which is this hourly gap, this hourly bullish gap that we have, right? So I think there was it a 5-minute cont? I think it was a 15-minute cont short. So as we can see, we have this 15-minute bearish gap right here, and it's the same model that we trade at the open, where we're just looking for cont shorts. And I think I took the first manipulation play. So I think I took this inverse right here. I did get stopped out at the swing high. We got a resweep of the high, and sometimes you pay to play, right? I thought it was this first inversion that we had right here, and I entered targeting at first these lows, but once I saw that we had a resweep of the highs, it's now like, okay, we had to get extra liquidity. We are still within the 15, and all the conditions are still being met. So now it's like, where can I take my trade to? So as you can see, it did run after we swept out these lows, which is LR. As we can see, it's the most obvious LR I've ever seen in my life, right? Once we swept out these lows, we did reverse. I was kind of worried, but I was like, F it, I'll leave it. And I believe we did put in an SMT with the ES at this time. Where is it at? Right here? No. Yeah, we did. Okay. Yeah, so we put in this SMT with the ES, right? As you can see right here, we have this SMT. So once I saw that we weren't going to hit my break even, and we had that extra confirmation with the SMT, I was like, okay, yeah, this is just going to run. And we instantly reversed after, not reversed, but we continued displacing lower after this accumulation that we have, right? And from there, just a little pullback. It is a heftier trade. So it took a little while, but we did get there. And that's my trade for today. 10:54. Wow, 1 hour trade exactly. That is crazy, but yeah. Shoot, I don't think I'll be trading tomorrow. I did blow an account, by the way. I did blow an account. One account had a little bit less drawdown, so I'm currently trading 4 accounts. I don't know if I should buy another account and trade it tomorrow, so I can potentially get it up to balance with these 4, or if I should just pass eval on these 4. I'll think about it. I might post another recap in the morning if I get another account. There is consistency on these evals as well. They are lucid flexes, so I think in the AM I might try and lose some money or something like that. I'm not too sure, or I might just leave it. I don't know. We'll see. But that's it for today's trade. Tonight's trade, Asia session trade. A little delirious. Finna go to sleep. Love y'all boys. Yeah.